Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Cpabara Go game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the BlueStacks. Once you search for it, you will see the first website of bluestack.com. So just open up this BlueStack website. Here you will see the option of download BlueStack 10. So just click on this option and start downloading the BlueStacks 10 on your PC. Now this is the installer of BlueStacks. You have to download and install it first. Then just open up the installer of BlueStacks. Now it will take some time, so just wait for it. And once it was open, here you'll see the option to install it. Just click on the install and start downloading and installing. It will take some time, so just wait for it. So once the BlueStack was completely downloaded and installed, just open it. Now a shortcut was added to your desktop. Just open up your desktop. Now it will take some time, so just wait for it until the BlueStack was completely open. Guys, once it was open, here you will see the system apps. So just click on the system apps option and you will see the Play Store. So you will see the Play Store right here. So just open up the Play Store. Now it will take some time, so just click on the search box you are seeing here. Then just click on the search apps and games and just type here the game name, which is the Cpabara Go. Now this game will appear on the top. So just open up this game. Now this game will appear on the top, so just open it and here you will see the option to install. Just click on the install and that's how you can download and install this game. Now you can easily play it once it was downloaded if you find it really helpful. So please like it and bye bye.